How to do video call on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you start or do video call on Telegram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Telegram app with your account. Alright, so after you open the app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to choose the person on Telegram who you want to make a video call. So I'm choosing this one. Alright, so after you choose the conversation whom you want to make call, you'll have to just tap on that profile option just at the top right corner. So simply tap on that person profile picture. Alright, so after you come on this page, you'll get options like call, video call, mute, and so on. So for the video call, you'll have to go the option video call icon. So simply after you tap on this video call icon, you'll be able to make a video call on Telegram. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.